Alright guys, today we're going to be swapping the wheels over on the Talaria XXX. In the last video we went out on the Supermotos and it wasn't ideal. It did do it, but these should be some big changes. Right here, we're going to be changing the 17-inch wheel to this 21-inch Deluxe wheel from Lunicycle. Look at how much bigger this wheel is. It should help us a lot off-road. Hi, kitty cat. And then in the back, we have the same 17-inch wheel, but instead of being wrapped in this CST Supermoto, we have a Shinko 241 that we're gonna slap on here. All right, let's get it up on the stand. Step one, we're gonna hold an Allen key over on this side. We're gonna put this on here, and we're gonna take off this this back axle nut. And we should just be able to slide this out. Here goes the axle block on that side. Okay, got the chain off. And pop the brake off on that side. All right, let's prepare our axle blocks. So this one's gonna go over on this side. And this is gonna go over on this side. First we gotta take off this cover. The axle blocks go in like this. They put the little bolt goes through here, this goes into here, and then you tighten it. All right, and then we come in here with the impact. This is at 10 mil. Get this on here. We take this out, and then this comes into here. Probably somewhere around there. First, I'm not going to say we know exactly what we're doing, but it seems to be working. Oh, we did it! Block is over on this side as well. That locks into our nut here. All right, then that goes there. Well guys, I finally got it fitted. I'm kind of an idiot. I didn't realize there's these two spacers on the stock wheel that go into here that I needed to swap back over onto the new wheel to get it to work. But once I did that, everything fits now. So I'm gonna just finish getting that nut back on and should be good to go. Alright guys, I'm sure there's probably a better way to do this, but this is how I'm gonna end up doing it. I flip the bike upside down, and we're gonna pop these out. First we're gonna loosen these. Trust me guys, do not go after these with an impact wrench. You will regret it. So if these go, you essentially need a new front fork. Just want to loosen these a little bit. Then we're gonna loosen this. Bring this out a couple threads. Then you take hammer, hit the axle. Then we're gonna unscrew the side. And this should just slide out. Nice and easy like. I'm sure we will need those parts. Next step, we're gonna remove the disc pad and put it onto the new wheel. I do not have any Torx head bits for my impact gun. I just have this. Alright, now we do the opposite right over here. Alright, I want to get all of these started before you screw any of them actually in. Alright, now we tighten these all on. Next, you want to have your axle handy. Put this off to the side for a second. Take these little black things, spacers, which don't really like to stay in. So part one, slide this into the other side, get it to go through. Okay, get everything to line up over here. There we go, just like that. And then you put this cap back on. We'll tighten those after we get the small screws tightened up. I like to do the insides, the outside ones. You can see it spins nice and freely now. We do have a little bit of brake rubbing, but we can adjust that afterwards. And as a last step, I'll make sure that these are tight, but we don't gotta make them super tight. And as you can see now, we have the tires now on the bike. The 21-inch Deluxe and the Shinko 241 17-inch in the back. I did have to lengthen my chain. I had to put an extra link on that because the tire was rubbing on the frame back here. But besides that, successful install. I'm out on the trail testing it out, and it has been great. I found a bunch of new areas that I've never been in, so it's a success. The next video, I'm going to be exploring more of this area, and yeah, it'll be awesome. You guys will love that. Anyways, thanks for tuning into this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this kind of content and if these are the kind of bikes you like. But thank you. Bye now.